time, spread it thick, spread that butter around. Gone in no time, lickety split, spread that butter around. Jack that just won't quit, spread that butter around. Making sunny, shining, and your units can't be found. Don't need to fret, don't get upset, Jack Libido won't let you down.
Its location for the courthouse right across the street made me big vagabond because when I was a young child, I was arrested for rogue and vagabond. Rogue and vagabond is what they used to arrest hobos for.
Sure.
It means you didn't commit a crime, but you shouldn't be where you are.
Yep. Loitering.
Yeah, basically, we have no reason to arrest you, so just get out of here.
Uh-huh. And the inspiration for the theme was your grandmother Nancy.
Apparently, my grandma Nancy was the one that they would go to their house because once you feed them once, they keep coming.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, she told me that, and I thought that was a nice like.
Savor the flavor until you waver, spread that butter around.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
Cubano.
Cubano.
Yeah.
All right. What's in that?
It's adobo roasted pork, pit ham, pickle slices, yellow mustard, ciabatta bread, crust.
Very early, spread it hard, but spread the morning light. Pretty please. Get fresh, get function, 3 meals a day. But better